Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Lara Agustina dengan nomor NIM 8783848809 dari Prodi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar UPJJ Padang. Pada video ini saya akan menanggapi tugas 3 Bahasa Inggris untuk guru SD yang terdiri dari 2 bagian. Yang pertama, mempresentasikan sebuah denah. Yang kedua, menceritakan tentang hobi. Baiklah, langsung pada bagian pertama, yaitu mempresentasikan sebuah denah berikut dengan acuan pertanyaan berikut. Pada denah ini terlihat beberapa bangunan dan nama jalan, dan saya akan membahas satu-satu berdasarkan acuan pertanyaan yang diberikan. Pertanyaan pertama, is there a public hospital near here? Where is it located? The location of the public hospital is right at the intersection of Jalan Yosudarso and next to the drugstore. If you walk from Jalan Marta Dinata, keep going until you reach the end of the road. Turn right. The public hospital is on the right side of Jalan Yosudarso. Pertanyaan kedua beserta jawabannya. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? National Bank of Indonesia is located on Yosudarso Street, right next to the Chinese restaurant and in front of the railway station and drugstore. If you are walking from Marta Dinata Street, then go straight to the end of the street, then turn left and keep walking. National Bank of Indonesia is on the right side of Yosudarso Street. But if you are coming from Ramayana direction, you just have to go straight and pay attention to the right lane until you find National Bank of Indonesia. Pertanyaan ketiga beserta jawabannya. Where is Ramayana Shopping Center? Ramayana is located on Yosudarso Street, right next to Chinese restaurant and in front of public hospital. If walking from Marta Dinata Street, then keep going until you reach that end. After the intersection, turn right and keep going until you find Ramayana on the left side of Yosudarso Street. Pertanyaan yang keempat. Excuse me, is there a restaurant around here? Where is it located? Here there is a Chinese restaurant located next to Ramayana and National Bank of Indonesia. If you come from Marta Dinata Street, continue walking the intersection of Street Yosudarso. The Chinese restaurant is right across Yosudarso Street. If you come from the direction of Ramayana, the Chinese restaurant is on the right side of Yosudarso Street. But if you come from the direction of Bank Nasional Indonesia, the Chinese restaurant is on the left side of Yosudarso Street. Pertanyaan yang kelima. Can you tell me where the drugstore is? The drugstore is right next to the left of the General Hospital and right next to the railway station. If you are walking from the direction of Ramayana, the drugstore is on the left side of Yosudarso Street. If you are coming from the direction of Marta Dinata Street, keep going until you reach a junction, then turn left a little walk to the left, the drugstore is there. Yang keenam, can you tell me the way to the railway station? The railway station is next to the drugstore. If you are coming from Ramayana, keep walking. The railway station is on the left side of Yosudarso Street and in front of Bank of Indonesia. If you are coming from Marta Dinata Street, keep walking until you reach Yosudarso Street, then turn left and keep walking. The railway station is on the left side next to the drugstore. Selanjutnya, tugas bagian 2 yaitu menjelaskan hobi dengan acuan pertanyaan berikut. Yang pertama, what is your hobby? I have a hobby of reading. I like reading comics, novels, and other stories. I don't only read in books, but I can also read through my cell phone. Pertanyaan nomor 2. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually do my hobby after I finish all my work or during my break time. Pertanyaan yang ketiga. What do you usually do in your free time? Besides doing my hobby, which is reading, in my free time, I also sometimes do other activities such as watching dramas, walking, and doing like sports such as badminton. Pertanyaan yang keempat, do you do that activity very often? I do that quite often. Kelima, how often do you do these activities in your free time? Almost every day when I have free time. For walking, not too often because it depends on the weather condition. Pertanyaan keenam, where do you usually go for recreation? Usually, I go for recreation to the park or waterboom. There is very beautiful and exciting. Baiklah, sekian video penjelasan dari saya. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan dalam penyampaian. Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Semoga video ini dapat bermanfaat dan menambah kosakata kita dalam bahasa Inggris. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.